Hi, this is Anora. Behind me, we have the Cavalli Villas, designed by Roberto Cavalli. It's a 7-bed mansion in the Mac Hills, overlooking the lagoons and the Trump International Golf Course. What do you think happens when the world-renowned fashion designer and an inventor gets to design a 7-bedroom mansion? The result is not just a home, but a masterpiece of art and elegance. After this big massive wooden door, you will see a double-heighted ceiling with a beautiful chandelier hanging on top. Walking in, you'll find your first living room, a spacious living room where you can greet your guests and visitors right here. Moving forward, you'll find 8-seater dining room which gives you direct access to the courtyard. As you're moving through this action, you will find a family living area. You will find a 10-seater dining area and a casual living space. On my right, we have the serving kitchen, and right up inside, we have the preparation kitchen. This is your preparation kitchen, where you have on the top kitchen appliances, including 4-door refrigerator, stunning marble which gives complete contrast to the wooden finishing, and ample amount of space. You have drawers, you have cabinets, beautiful. Coming in, on my left hand side, you have the laundry room and a helper's room. An amazing marble on the staircase as well with inbuilt lights. So we are at the first floor. You have 4 bedrooms here. 2 bedrooms in front, 2 bedrooms behind. And on the left hand side, you have this beautiful courtyard. This is the first bedroom. And whoa, you can hear Cavalli through the walls. You have his prints, what he is known for. Even the detailing on the door handle is a snake print. Even the cupboard texture is the animal fur. And each of these prints have Cavalli's signature on them, just like this one. Moving forward, you have this washroom. On the left hand side, you have the shower, and the right hand side, you have the bathroom. On this side, you have the Cavalli accent, and on that side, you have the wooden finish. This is your second bedroom. It's not as loud as the first one. It's calm, and again, you can see Cavalli on the wall through the leopard print. Then again, inside here, you have the walk-in closet, again with the same print, and you have the washroom right here. Walking in to the third bedroom, on my left hand side, you have the walk-in closet and the washroom there. Walking into the room, you have again the animal print on the wall, which is very elegant, and the whole room is pastel theme. You also have a courtyard here outside, which we already saw while coming up the staircase. And each room has its own balcony. This is your master bedroom, where you have detailed walls, leopard print curtains, and moving ahead on my left hand side, again you have the walk-in closet, which we'll show you later. Beautiful lighting. The whole concept of this bedroom is animal theme. You have leopard finish on this wall and a fur finish on this wall. And you have a humongous courtyard right in front of you, which gives you amazing view of the golf course. Let me take you to the walk-in closet and the bathroom. This is your walk-in closet. Again, you have a different print there. Each print signed by Cavalli. And this is the bathroom, which is massive than the other 3 bathrooms that we saw before. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. Well, this is not just an ordinary master bedroom. This is the owner's room. And as you can see, this bedroom is completely different from the other bedrooms. It is aggressive compared to other bedrooms, and the theme is black and white. On the board, again, on each print, you will find Cavalli's signature on it. again, you have the design walls in this bedroom as well. Moving to the bathroom. This is your walk-in closet and this is your humongous bathroom. You have double vanity sink, and on the left hand side you have the shower, and right hand side you have the bathroom. You have walk-in closets here as well. Again, all different prints on the closet as well. Let me show you something cool. And to all my ladies, this is your dressing table. And on my left hand side, we have the kids' room. And this is your huge terrace where you can have your family functions outside, and you have the view of the swimming pool and the golf course. This is your basement, and this area is a massive gym room where you can put in your equipments here. Not only that, you also have your steam room and your sauna room. Moving forward, you also have a locker room and a shower right in here for everyone.
Also, the basement comes in with a private cinema and a casual lounge.
Now let me show you something very exciting. This is amazing. This is something I think would be out of Tony Stark's imagination. I mean, you have 5 parkings over here. You can keep your car in here and display and enjoy in your personal lounge. And this is the favorite part about the villa. You have the swimming pool right in front, a jacuzzi, and this beautiful garden where you also have the sitting area right there. Now I'll show you something amazing which I don't think any of you would have imagined. A gaming room completely detached from the villa. It's with ensuite washrooms, and this is a gaming room. And now if you want to know more about this amazing villa, like the payment plan and sizes, contact me on the given number below and we will connect there.